All right, third graders, we are on lesson 5-3. Remember, you do not have a journal page, so you can watch this as I do it, and then you push add a response, that green plus button, and then you write on that, and then you send that to your teacher. So I'm going to go ahead and walk you through it now. Can you watch this and then head over to Seesaw and write your response as I'm doing this? You can, but I want to make sure that your progress stays saved as you're working on it. So if you need to, just watch this video, then you try your worksheet, and then you come back to the video if you have more questions. Okay, or you can join your math Zoom help today. All right, lesson 5-3, math message. Quan ate 1/4 of his pizza. Here's Quan's pizza. Aiden ate 1/4 of his pizza. Here's Aiden's pizza. It says partition and shade each pizza to show how much pizza each boy ate. Quan said they ate the same amount because they both ate 1/4 of a pizza. Do you agree with Quan? Explain. Okay, so the first thing is we need to partition. And remember, partition sounds like part. Part is even in that word. So we need to break these into different parts. Quan ate 1/4. So we need to break these up into what? And Aiden ate 1/4. I don't know why that's happening. Okay. Force. That means we need 4 pieces. Look, it even has the word 4 in force. So if we break this one into half, how many pieces do we have? 2. Now, if you split something in half again, it doubles. So what's a double of 2? 2 double 2, that becomes 4. Look at, I'm going to split it in half. Boom, now we have 4 pieces. Good, now Aiden needs 4, so we make 2, split it in half, we double it, it becomes 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good, but they each have 1/4. So let's go ahead and fill in 1 piece of each. Okay, I fill in 1 piece, and I fill in 1 piece. Okay, it says that Quan said they ate the same amount of pizza because they both ate 1/4. Let's put the fractions. There's 1 part out of, remember, denominator's downstairs. Denominator means how many parts total. There's 4 pieces total. Aiden ate 1. Quan has 4 pieces total. How many did he eat? He ate 1. So Quan goes, they both ate the same amount. But third graders, look at, they both had circles as a whole, but what do you notice? That Aiden's pizza was much bigger than Quan's pizza. So yes, Aiden ate 1/4 of his and Quan ate 1/4 of his, but did they eat the same amount? Are their pieces equivalent or the same size? No, because Aiden's pizza is 1/4 piece is much bigger than Quan's 1/4 piece. So if the whole is not the same size, they can't eat the same amount of pizza. So I'm going to say no, and you guys will write no, and then explain why. We just talked about it. So in your words, write why Quan and Aiden are not eating the same size pizza, even though they're both eating 1/4 of their pizza. Why aren't they eating the same amount? Remember, think of the hole, the shape of their holes. Okay. Then I'm going to scroll down here. It says, wait for your teacher to explain these problems. That's me. So we see this is Laura's pizza, and look what you notice about Laura's, and here's Nicole's pizza, and you see the circles. Okay, number 1 says Laura ate 1 piece of her pizza. Nicole ate 2 pieces of her pizza. So here's 2 parts. Here's 1 part, Laura's part, and then Nicole's part. So let's look at Laura. She ate 1 piece of her pizza. So I want you to go ahead and fill it in. 1 piece. How many pieces does Laura have total? Laura has 2 pieces. So she ate how much? How many parts? She ate 1 piece. Laura ate 1 out of, well, she has this piece and she has the second piece. So she ate 1 out of 2 pieces. Okay. Then Nicole ate 2 pieces. She has 1, 2, 3, 4. So we need to color 2 pieces. She ate this piece, that's 1. And she ate this piece, that's 2. Okay, so she ate 2 out of denominator. How many do we have total? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Number 2 says, who ate more pizza? So did Laura eat more pizza or did Nicole eat more pizza? You write your answer. What do you think? And then how do you know? So explain using your picture. How do you know who ate more? This might be a trick question, let me tell you. And then number 3 says, write a fraction to show how much pizza each child ate. Well, I already gave you that answer, so you can go ahead and put that down. Write the fraction of how much pizza each child ate. And we know how much they ate because the black shaded in part that I have is what they ate. And here's our fraction. All right, so go ahead and do this whole page first on Seesaw. Then turn this in. Remember, add the green plus button for a response. Then go ahead and find Math Journal.